Hi everyone, my name is Ka. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will make a short cooking video at home. So let's get started. I will cook a dinner for 2 people tonight, my brother and me. First of all, we'll see the ingredients. I have mushrooms and shrimps. I cooked them and put them in a container. And I'm going to fry the onions. You can see them in the pan. The next ingredient is banana blossom. My mom boiled and froze them at home in Huế City before sending them to me. A Vietnamese tradition where moms take care of their children even after they have left home. Now, everything is very easy. I just defrost and cook them. To make this banana blossom salad, Vietnamese coriander is essential. This herb really elevates the flavor of the dish. In a traditional Vietnamese meal, a soup is indispensable. Today I'm going to cook my favorite, a bitter melon soup. It will be mixed with the mushroom and shrimp I put in the container earlier. And tonight's special is sun-dried fish. To it, we just need to add some Vietnamese fish sauce, a little cooking oil, a bit of sugar, some pineapple and sesame seeds. And the dish comes together perfectly. Because this is my first cooking video, I forgot to take a picture of all the dishes ready to eat on a table. I promise to do it next time. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Goodbye.